I get this question all the time. Devin, what is the simplest faceless video format to produce consistently with a tiny team? The short answer is this: a scripted voiceover explainer with repeatable visuals. Not documentaries, not heavily animated videos, not complicated avatar content. The easiest format to sustain is one where the thinking is in the script and the visuals come from a fixed system. Here's the rule. If one script can be edited using the same visual recipe every time, that's a good tiny team format. My favorite beginner setup is a 4-part structure. 1, strong hook in the first 5 seconds. 2, 3 clear points. 3, simple examples or screenshots. 4, fast recap and close. Then lock the visuals into percentages. About 70% stock footage or screen recordings, 20% screenshots, charts, or captions, and 10% simple motion graphics. That keeps editing fast and predictable. If your team is tiny, assign roles like this. One person researches and outlines. One person scripts and records voiceover. One person edits from a template. Even if one person wears 2 hats, the format still holds. The mistake beginners make is choosing a format that looks impressive but breaks the schedule. You do not need the flashiest faceless style. You need the one your team can publish every week without reinventing the process. If you want to operationalize that, Satara works well as the workflow layer for topics, scripting, and production handoffs. So if you're just starting, choose voiceover explainer plus reusable edit template. It's the simplest, most sustainable faceless format for a small team.